Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing Rumi from Demon Hunters. So, let's get started. We will start by drawing her eyes, nose, and mouth. Now, we will draw her face structure. It's time to draw her long, beautiful hair. Rumi has super cool braided hair. Isn't that awesome? Now, we will draw her neck, then her clothes. Let's sketch her hoodie. It looks so comfy and stylish. Add the strings and folds to make it look real. Now, we will highlight our drawing. We will color the whole bat black. First, we will color her skin light peach. Rumi has brown eyes. Now, we will color her hair purple. Who is your favorite character from Demon Hunters? Now we will color her t-shirt underneath light brown. Then we will color her hoodie gray. Wow, the hoodie and hair combo looks so cool. Doesn't she look ready for an adventure? Next, we will color her background orange. At last, we will color her lips red. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.